So hello guys, in this video I will show you how to add a currency to your PayPal account. So for that guys, first of all you will need to log into your account on your computer, and after that on the top right corner you guys will need to select on your name and now select on account settings. Now scroll down on your left side and you guys can see this option called money, banks and cards. Now select on this. Now scroll down on your right and you guys can see this category called currency management. Under this category you guys can see this button right here called add a currency. Now select on this, and now you just need to choose one of the currency which you want to choose. Let's say I want to choose Japanese yen, and now select on this button called add a currency and now select on done. And now guys, if you scroll down on your right, you guys can see that there is another currency added to your PayPal account with your primary currency. So that's how you guys can add a currency in your PayPal account. So that's how you guys can do it, and that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to subscribe to our channel and also share this video with your family and friends, and thanks for watching.